Brazil's nightlife is famous worldwide. Samba, beach bars, rooftop parties, and music until sunrise. But in the middle of all this fun, some people are only there for one reason: to scam tourists in bars. In this video, I'll show you how these scams work and how to avoid them. Most bar scams start the same way. You're walking in a lively area like Lapa in Rio or Vila Madalena in São Paulo. A friendly person approaches you. They speak some English, they seem helpful, and they suggest a great bar just around the corner. The place looks normal, maybe a bit empty, but the staff is very eager. Drinks appear fast, and sometimes they bring shots or cocktails you didn't clearly order. Problems start when the bill arrives. Suddenly, the price is much higher than you expected. You see items you never ordered, or prices that are 5 or 10 times normal. When you complain, the atmosphere changes. A manager or security appears and insists you must pay everything before you can leave. Some tourists feel intimidated or even lightly threatened and end up paying just to get out. There are several versions of this scam. In one, women invite you inside, order expensive drinks, and disappear, leaving the bill for you. In another, the friendly local gets a commission from the bar for every tourist they bring in. Sometimes the scam is hidden. The bill looks okay, but your credit card is taken out of sight and later cloned for fraudulent transactions. You can still enjoy Brazil's nightlife and stay safe. Go to well-known bars or places recommended by locals you trust, your hotel or your hostel. Always check the menu and prices before you order. Avoid bars where the menu is unclear or where they refuse to show prices. Keep your card in sight and pay at the table with a portable card machine whenever possible. If a stranger insists you go to a special place right now, just say no and keep walking. Most people in Brazil are friendly and honest, and many bars are safe and welcoming. Live samba nights, forró dancing, and beach bars are some of the best experiences you can have here. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and if something feels off, leave. That way you enjoy the music, the people, and the energy, without paying for a very expensive lesson.